YouTube, this is Lila Janelle. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be coming at you guys with a mini home goods haul. I'm just going to show you guys some of the things that I picked up. I'm doing some decorating and redecorating here in my home, and I thought that I'll just take you guys along for the ride. So if you want to see the few things that I bought this go round from Homegoods, just stay tuned. So first off, we have this cute little bug here, little thingy. Forgive me, y'all, I don't know what it's called, but yeah, it is. So what I'm doing is I have like my foyer area, and I was inspired by a picture I saw from Restoration Hardware. So I'm kind of doing like a mini DIY, and then I have to decorate the table. Like it's a DIY for the table, and then I needed stuff to put on top of the table. So I went out and I found this, and it goes with the look, the kind of modern look. Is the matte black with white and natural wood browns. I think I'm gonna do a video on that, the DIY part. Well, maybe a few parts just so you guys can see. So don't forget to subscribe if you want to see that video uploaded after this one. So the next thing, oh, and if you guys want to know the price, it was $14.99 at Homegoods. So let's see, the next thing that I got, so I got some books. It's only two. I'm trying not to overdo it because I'm not one for clutter, but I am one to just get everything that I like and it kind of doesn't match, and then I try to make it match. So for the books, I really just try to be minimal. So I only got two books, and then the first one is this Home and Body by Joanna Gaines. I know I'm late to the game, and this book has been out for a minute, but I finally got it, and it's gonna go on the table in my foyer as well. And it was only, where's the price? It was only 19, I know you guys can't see that. It was only $19.99 at Homegoods as well. So yeah. And then the next book that I got, and again, when you style these books, you don't have to just stack them. I know you guys usually see them just stacked on top of each other, but sometimes you can even you can even lay them on a table or on the, with the book sitting open. But this book, which I really love because it's called Travel Home, Designed with a Global Spirit. So this one is inspired by different places in the world, and it has a lot of the natural elements that I think my style, my decorating style is transitioning to at this moment. So when I saw this, I was like, oh yeah, I like this one. And it goes with the colors that I have in my home. I have this dark brown in the home, with the whites and the grays and the black. I also have a lot of plants as well. I'll probably do a maybe a plant tour because I have a lot of plants. I kind of went plant crazy. I kind of didn't. I like plants, and I'm probably going to buy some more. But yeah, stay tuned for that as well. But yeah, I really like this book. It has this kind of wallpaper-ish design. It, like I said, has the dark brown on the spine. It's really pretty. And then I'll probably just stack those on top, like this, with, let's see, with this on top, kinda, sorta, and a candle. Y'all know how it's done. And let's see, the next thing that I picked up from HomeGoods, it just jumped out at me. It really was sitting there kind of alone. It wasn't with a group or a theme of items like they usually do when they set up things in the store. It just was there. So I think everything else that went along with it might have been sold out, or, you know, sold already. But I really love this. It's just so strong and bold. And it is this base thingy. Yeah. And it's textured in black. And it's, the top actually comes off. They have it taped up just so it wouldn't, you know, come off accidentally while moving, I guess, or stocking them, and it breaks. But this top actually comes off, and it's by Tahara, or I don't know if I'm saying that right. Tahari. I don't know, everything that I really like that really jumps out at me always is by this brand. It always has this name on it. But I really like this. I'm gonna put this on my foyer table as well. I think it's amazing. And let's see. The last thing that I got, and I'm not sure where I'm putting it. Maybe by the, I have a door. I have the garage door next to the foyer as well as the front door. So I think those two kind of clash, like depending on what rug you put by those doors. Maybe I'll show you guys once I fix it up. I'll do a little tour. Yeah, I'll show you guys the foyer once it's completed, so you can see where I set everything up at. But the last thing I got was this rug. It's a jute rug with the black and white stripes, and then it has this fringe on the ends, and it's pretty long. Yeah, it's pretty long, but I like it. And I'm thinking that I might put it at the back door, and I think I'm gonna do the layered look. Like I'll put maybe a smaller black rug on top, and I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. And of course, this candle. I buy so many candles. I love candles. Fresh scented candles everywhere. This one was supposed to go in the kitchen because it is orange. It's a citrusy. Anything fruity, not fruity, anything kind of citrusy like, I put in the kitchen. But yeah. So anyway, guys, that's it. If you want more, then go ahead and subscribe, because I will be uploading the video of the DIY in the foyer, the table for the DIY in the foyer, and the completed look to the foyer. And if you guys like this, then go ahead and hit that like button. And if you want to see more, let me know down in the comments, or if it's anything that I should change, the style of how I do these videos, because you know this is all new to me. But like I said, I have a whole house that I'm redecorating, or you know. So just go ahead and let me know in the comments what you would like to see from me, or let me know where I can get some things. Yeah, that'll be cool too. Anyway, see you guys next time for the next video for the foyer. Bye.